Welcome back to my channel and another card tutorial. If you want to learn how to make this versatile blue floral card with rhinestone accents, keep watching. Here are all of the supplies that you'll need to make this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. A really easy way to customize this design would be to simply change the pen colors and rhinestones that you use. To start making this card, take your pencil and whatever base paper you're using and draw the design. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you have the design drawn out in pencil, switch over to your thin black pen. Here I'm using my favorite Faber-Castell pen in thickness or size S, and simply trace over all of the pencil lines that you had just previously drawn. Once you have all three flowers outlined in black, what I did was I took my eraser and I quickly removed any of the remaining pencil lines that I hadn't exactly traced over before I went in with the color. This ensures that you don't see any of the pencil lines through the color, particularly if you're using a lighter color like the blue that I used. Once all the pencil lines are removed, take your color pen. Here I'm using a blue pen, and these are again my favorite Faber-Castell pens. The exact color blue that I'm using is linked in the description box below. So when I was adding this blue color, I made sure that the black lines was still visible. So I didn't trace exactly over it like I previously mentioned. I kind of drew in or traced just adjacent to the line so you would see both colors. And I basically did that same technique for all of the black lines on all three flowers. Once you've completed that, the final step is to add the rhinestones. As I always do, I started by first laying them out where I wanted them on the card. And once I was happy with my rhinestone placement, I simply took my fast drying glue and I glued everything on. And once the glue is dry, this simple, elegant, and versatile floral card with rhinestone accents is complete.